This 2023 Keystone Fuzion 421 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Keystone is 44 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Glacier interior, Sleep 6, TV antenna, LP detector, Skylight, oven, air conditioning, smoke detector, spare tire kit, slideout, external shower, self-contained, and 94 gallons fresh water capacity. The floorplan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bedroom, loft, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Fuzion 421 is 15,880 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.